Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be doing our first attempt at a fighter jet here, and this is the F15 Eagle. And this is what it looks like here. Like I said, this is my first attempt at a fighter jet, and it is in 1-to-1 scale. While I do like planes a lot, I don't know as much of the technical details as I do with trains, so I don't know exactly what variant or model this is. I just kind of looked at pictures and built the one I liked. And I picked this darker scheme, which I think is the F15E, just because I thought the darker colors look cool. But you can definitely make it a lighter gray if you want. So I'm going to be building it in the sky, but you can do it on the ground if you want. If you are building it on the ground, we're going to start on the second block up. And wherever our front's going to be pointed towards the front, we're going to put an upside down deep slate brick stair, then a deep slate brick slab, then a polished black stone slab. Then I'm going to take out that was my temporary block. Then we're going to put 11 gray concrete coming straight back off that stair. Then back here on the upper hitbox, we're going to do 4 deep slate brick slabs. Then on top of this back slab, a gray concrete, another gray concrete, and then 1 deep slate brick slab. And then we'll come up front. Then come on top of the front and put a deep slate brick slab on this second one in here. And then we're going to do another line of gray concrete all the way across to the back. Then we'll come on top of the front again on the second gray concrete in and do a polished black stone slab. Then 4 polished black stone blocks. And then a slab for the cockpit. Behind that, we're going to do 3 deep slate brick slabs coming back. And then behind that, we're going to do 6 dark oak trapdoors. Just like that. Then we're going to come up underneath the front for the front landing gear. And we're going to align with this first polished black stone block here. And we'll come underneath on bottom. And due to the scale, we're just going to use an upside down grindstone for the front wheel right here. Then on the back of it, we're going to put a hanging dark oak sign going this way for the little landing gear door. Then we're going to come up on the top edge of this concrete with a deep slate brick slab and put one on the top here, and then an upside down stair facing forward behind it. And same thing here, so we're going to do a slab here and an upside down stair here. Then behind that, we're going to do a line of 6 gray concrete coming back up here. And then same thing over here, 6 gray concrete on this side. Then across this, we're going to put a full row of dark oak trapdoors coming across the top of this section. And then same thing on this side, a full row of dark oak trapdoors across here. So it looks like that. Then we're going to come to the back and work on our engines. And we're going to take deep slate brick stairs on this top edge, but they need to face inward here. And we're going to do a line of 5 coming forward right here, so it aligns with the back of this trapdoor. And then same thing on this side, 5 inward facing stairs here. And then for the afterburner exhaust, we're going to put an inward facing black stone brick stair on either side. Then a black stone brick slab on the bottom of this stair and this stair. Then come under that and add a second slab on the bottom of the top 2 like that. Then we'll take out black stone brick stair again on bottom, except on the bottom here, the upside down stairs are going to be facing outward this time. So we're going to put 1 stair facing outward here and 1 on this side facing outward. Then in front of that, we'll do 5 outward facing deep slate brick stairs under here like this. And then 5 on this side under here. Just like that. Then up here on bottom, we're going to put a bamboo trapdoor, a deep slate brick slab, and an upside down deep slate brick stair that is going to be facing forward right here. Then 3 outward facing stairs. Then repeat on this side. So a bamboo trapdoor here, a deep slate brick slab, a forward facing upside down stair, and 3 outward facing stairs. Then come on the side up here, and above where this landing gear is, a bamboo button, a dark oak sign. Then a polished blackstone button here and here. And then we'll come over here and put a stone button on the top middle here in front of the cockpit. Then on this side, a bamboo button and a polished blackstone button like this, a dark oak sign, and a polished blackstone button up here. Next, take out deep slate brick walls. We're going to come on the side of this on top here, and we're going to do a line of 6 walls coming forward. And then 6 on this side, starting at the back. Then we're going to add one more wall sticking out on the back of each side like that. Then we're going to do the tail wings here, and we're going to take out slabs, and we're going to put a deep slate brick slab here, out by 1, and then we're also going to come back 1 right here. Do the same thing on this side, so 2 here and back 1. Then a polished deep slate slab here and here, and a polished deep slate slab here and here. Then we're going to put 1 polished deep slate slab here, deep slate brick here, polished deep slate there. And repeat the pattern here, so a deep slate brick slab in this corner, then a polished deep slate slab here and here. Then we'll do the tail fins, so go back to gray concrete. And we're going to start here, and we're going to do a line of 4 gray concrete coming forward, and then we're just going to step that back coming up. So we're going to have 4 on bottom, then 3, then 2, then 1. Repeat it on this side, so 4 concrete right here, then 3, 2, 1. Then take deep slate brick slabs, put 1 here and here, then 1 here and here, 1 here and here, and 1 here and here. On top, put 2 slabs coming forward on each side like that. So it looks like this. Now take polished deep slate slab for the main wing. Then we're going to start right here and come out by 2. Then we're going to come back 1 and over 1, and we're going to do 4. Then on the front of this wingtip, we're going to come forward by 1 in this corner. Then for the rest of it, we're just going to keep coming diagonally forward and put a single slab each step until we meet with the body of the plane here. So it looks like that. And then we'll repeat on this side, so we're going to do 2 slabs right here, then come back 1 and over 1 and do 4. Then 1 here, and for the rest of it, we just keep doing single slabs coming diagonally forward each time until we meet up with the main body of the plane. Then, for the rest of this wing, we're going to fill this whole open middle area in with deep slate brick slabs this time. And fill all this in. And we'll repeat on this side, fill this whole wing in with deep slate brick slabs as well. Just like that. And then we're going to do the rear landing gears here. So we need to come underneath here with a block of coal. We actually need to be like down 1 and then over 1 from where this stair is. So it's like that, 1 block in from the back of the wing, and it's diagonal from the stair. We need to do the same thing lined up with it on this side. Make sure it's over 1 from the stair. Then we're going to put a birch fence gate here and here, and a birch button on the side of each of these wheels. In the middle, to represent the 2 landing gear doors, we're going to put a dark oak fence gate and open it right there. Now we need to make some banners, so put down a loom temporarily up here. And we're going to do a gray banner in black dye. We're going to put a horizontal on the top and the bottom, then a diagonal. New banner. We're going to do a vertical on the right and a horizontal on bottom. Then go to gray dye and put a gray border on both of these. Then we can take out the loom. And we're going to come up here on the tail, put 4 polished blackstone buttons on bottom, then these 2 banners like this, and up here, a bamboo sign. Then a bamboo sign on this side of the top, and then same thing here, 1 sign here on top, one here. Then we'll add the 2 banners on this one and the 4 polished black stone buttons across the bottom there, just to get some more detail. Now on top of the cockpit, put 2 trapdoors of dark oak in the center just to round it off some more. Then we're going to arm this thing, so we're going to come under here and do our drop pods first. And we're actually going to knock out these 2 slabs on the second block back of the wing and put in 2 upside down stairs, just for the mounting of it. And same thing here on this second block back, change these 2 to upside down stairs facing outward. Then centered on this, we're going to put 4 gray concrete, and on the front and back of that we're going to put a deep slate brick wall, and that's for our fuel drop tanks. And we'll do the same thing here, so 4 gray concrete and a deep slate brick wall on the back of it and the front of it for the fuel drop tank over here. Then we're going to add a mangrove button here and here, and then one here and here. Then we'll add some missiles, so we're going to change this slab to an upside down deep slate brick stair. Then centered on the bottom of it, we're going to do 3 stone brick walls. On the back, open a birch fence gate, and on the front of the walls, put a skeleton skull. That's the missile design. Then we have to do the other side, so come over here and do the same thing. So we're going to change this one to an upside down stair, and then centered on that, 3 stone brick walls. On the back of it, open a birch fence gate, and then a skeleton skull on the front. Then we're going to add in 1 more here. So we're going to come under this, and we're going to change this block to an upside down stair. And then same thing on this side, come out here, change this one to an upside down stair. And then we're going to need temporary blocks to mount this one, unless you're building it on the ground and you can stand underneath it. So I'm going to get some temporary blocks down here to stand on. And under this mounting, accidentally fell there. Under this mounting, we're going to crouch, and we're going to center 3 dark oak trapdoors on this for another weapon. Just like that. That one's not supposed to be there, so just 3 trapdoors under that. And then take out all these temporary blocks. So it looks like that, and then we'll do the other side. So we'll once again have to get some temporary blocks to stand on down here, so that we can crouch. We get 3 dark oak trapdoors centered on this set of stairs here. Then we can take out our temporary blocks. Then we're going to come up on top of the wing with black carpet. We're going to put 1 here and 1 here. And then we're going to cover anywhere there's deep slate brick slabs on this wing with gray carpet. So it's like that. And then same thing on this wing, cover all the deep slate brick slabs with gray carpet. Then on the edge of this wing, we're going to put a mangrove sign here. And on the end of the other wing, we're going to put a warp sign here. So there we have it, folks. We've completed our first fighter jet, the F15 Eagle. I hope everyone enjoyed this build. I think it turned out okay, but making it to scale doesn't leave much room for detail here. So this is what it looks like, and I hope everyone has a great week and stay safe. Take care out there.